and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Kalingdo bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. First, let us have a look at the headlines. Khasi Students Union Law College, NEHU, meets Pro Vice Chancellor for the second and fourth semester results of the students. Jaintia Students Movement lock up office of the DSEO for failure to appoint teachers. And World Earth Day observed in town. And now the news in detail. Khasi Students Union Law College today met the Pro Vice Chancellor of Northeastern Hill University, Professor Henry Lamin, and apprised him on the need to immediately declare the results of second and fourth semesters of the post and graduate students affiliated with this university. Speaking to the media after the meeting with the Pro Vice Chancellor, the General Secretary of Khasi Students Union Law College, Alarich Kharjana, said the Pro Vice Chancellor of NEHU has assured them that he will look into the matter and with the topmost priority will be given to it. Kharjana also informed the KSU Law College the Pro Vice Chancellor will try his best to declare the results next month.
Law College unit jadi kerana jeng mutasi kalau batu Pro Vice Chancellor jeng keniku kalau nak minta ke jeng Islam jeng ke declaration of results ke jeng ni ke exam ni ada thought tu benai January berdei ke second ke fourth ke third ke fifth ke jeng Islam punya result kita ni kalau bala sham jing kena bro ni mau kemia ban assess ya ka overall percentage kita okey de hadian ke jing kan buat vice chancellor jong ni hu kila ong ba kin sham ya ka matter immediately but kumno ba by the end of this month first week of April layak declare the results. Kita some internal affairs ba makiru kemla ban nomor kilom confidential in that manner ba kemla ban ailo dia baru kena intip kata andre mostly try kala bende na benta ba come consisting ke correction bende when kita other than that kalau confidential so kemla ban ailo dia baru kena intip.
Members of the Jaintia Students Movement Western Region today paid an unscheduled visit to the office of the District School Education West Jaintia Hills, where they forced the staff out of office before locking it up. This rather abrupt action of the members of the Jaintia Students Union was provoked by the failure of the office to appoint deserving candidates to their posts as teachers in the upper primary schools and lower primary schools. Upon the arrival of police at the scene, a meeting was held by the officers of the DSEO, the police and the members of the JSM to sort out the matter. Ms. S. Bare, SDSEO, and Ms. ACM, DSEO, stated that the matter of appointment of teachers had been informed to the higher authorities and that the teachers will be appointed to the schools within a week's time. This decision has come about after JSM had earlier given the office a week's time to appoint teachers, failing which the movement decided to close the office by locking it up.
Awan akan dikasih office ban khang tala nomor berpilai kum katil khbor bala dep pro isteo itu ngila ban itu ngila ai poru ada kepala ban thuno ikai no isteo ngini kabliang kajungi ni khang noi office te menta kasni khang hadin bangila khang tu jadon kalam batu nakalian police department DSP bat magistrate itu ngila ikran lang bat kinong tre ne ngila dah hadir mengila ada ikran tu kila ai ngi assurance rupiang ngila yo iru ko order kibaong ki hapum ta tayo thung no te nakaliang jongi menta kasi kajingi ki lakut henry lara kimla ngin sepet ke ba kajingle kajongki hapo steo henry ngin sasim yang karai ke bangin le yang seng tu kumta ngis nakaliang kajongi ni kerpan ya sarkar hi baka makan simkiano ban bat igri ko office ru bakan le no udud kenang ba ki school ru kinyai no sai nomor menta ki aya steng snem rupli la isnai te nakaliang kajongi tang katahi kwa ban penpa.
Earth Day 2021. Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd every year. The day marks the anniversary of the birth of the modern environmental movement in 1970. Several agencies and governments organize special events to spread awareness among masses about climate change and global warming. The theme for this year's Earth Day is Restore Our Earth, which focuses on natural processes and emerging green technologies that can restore the world's ecosystems. To join hands with the rest of the world in celebrating World Earth Day and with the motive to restore the earth, the farmers of Tindring unit under the banner of Hill Farmers Union conducted a tree plantation in the area. The farmers planted around 150 chestnut tree plants today. Distance should not be a barrier to greet loved ones across the globe. From Worldview Impact founder and CEO, Dr. Bremley W.B. Lyngdoh conveyed his greetings to all of his fellow farmers and everyone in the region through Don Bosco Media Network.
Greetings from London. This is Bremley Lyngdoh, founder and CEO of Worldview Impact. I want to send a message to all our viewers watching around the world. A very happy Earth Day 2021. We are celebrating with our friends and partners around the world on the theme Restore Our Earth, which is quite in line with what we're doing fighting this global pandemic that has really impacted all countries, all nations on Earth. As part of a post-COVID-19 green recovery, our friends and partners around the world are planting millions of trees today to restore the balance on Earth for future generations to come. On that note, I want to wish our team in India from Worldview Impact, working in partnership with Gauri's Goodies and Earth Bank, well done on planting 150 chestnut trees today at Spring Valley Farm, together with the women farmers who are members of the Hill Farmers Union. And congratulations. May the forest be with you always. Thank you so much.
Greetings from Tinring village here in East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. Today is Earth Day and we've come together to celebrate Earth Day with our women group from Tinring village. They are farmers from Hill Farmers Union. And we would like to express our deep thanks to Mohit and Gauri for contributing to these trees that we've planted. We are here in Tinring village, which is about 20 kilometers away from Shillong. So in the midst of this pandemic, we're still able to do our bit for Earth Day today. And we've planted your trees, Mohit and Gauri. Thank you so much. And hopefully in June, hopefully the pandemic will be a little better that time. We'll be able to do a little bit more, plant more trees, some more different species. Today we've planted about 150 chestnut trees, and and I would also like to thank Earth Bank, who's also partnering together with us today. And so here we have, these are all our partners: Gauri's, Hill Farmers Union, Spring Valley Farm. This is one of the locations of Spring Valley Farm. And I am Iba, the MD of Worldview Impact. Thank you so much.
Well, viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.